Good morning, everyone. My name is Tairu Wada, and you are welcome to Learning and Earning series with Tairu Boost IQ. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Welcome to part 2 of multiplication trick, and this time around we are going to look at multiplying 3 digits by 1. Solution: we have 124 multiplied by 2. Solution: 1, 2, 4, and 2. 2 times 4 will give us 8. 2 times 2 give us 4, and 2 times 1 is 2. Method, the trick part. Here we have 1. We are going to have what? 1 line. The second number is 2. We are going to have what? 1, 2. The third number is 4. We are going to have 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's multiplied by 2. We are going to have 2 lines. 1, then what? 2. Now let's count the joint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have our 8. Then we go to the second line. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have our 4. And the last one is what? 1, 2. It's still 248. 248. Let's look at another example. When we have a 122 multiplied by 3. Solution: 1, 2, 2, 3. 3 times 2 give us 6. 3 times 2 is still 6. And 3 times 1 is 3, making it 366. The trick. Here is 1. We are going to have 1 line. Here is 2. We have 2 lines at the middle. 1, 2. The last one is 2. We are going to have 1, 2. Multiplying by 3, then we are going to cross 3 lines. 1, 2, and 3. And we are going to count the meeting point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have our 6. When we go to the middle also, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have our 6. The last one is 1, 2, 3. It's still what? 3, which is 366. 300 and what? 66. The answer are all still the same. Let's look at the last example, which is what? When we are multiplying 132 multiplied by 3. Solution: 132 times 3. 3 times 2 give us 6. 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 times 1 is what? 396. The trick. Here the first number is 1. We have our 1 line. The second number is 3. 1, 2, 3. Then this last number is 2. 1, 2. We are multiplying by 3. We are going to have what? 1, 2, 3. So let's count the point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. The last one, 1, 2, 3. Still 396. The answer still remains the same. Subscribe to this channel for more multiplication trick like this. It helps you during what? Examination, especially it has to do with what? Theory or objective. Thank you. Until we meet again.